Hi buddies, very good morning. How are you doing? As we all know, change is the only constant. So after a lot of feedback, every batch that I've been getting, I've been trying to improve my material. And one feedback that I constantly got was, sir, we need for company law at least, because economic law, it's fine, it's mostly dry. That's what the students say. But company law, at least we need a colorful material, a colored book. So buddies, this video is to just make a very happy announcement that I have now launched my module 1, that is for company law, a colored book with all your blessings and support. That is what we have done. A lot of work has gone into it. By the way, this is my book, right? A lot of work has gone into it. You can see it's completely colored. It's a colored version. A lot of work has gone into it. So I just want to tell you what it's all about. So it's again based purely on student feedback. First, they wanted to tell me that I need some space in the book itself to draw the charts, which was incorporated in the last book, but it was not colored. Then they said, sir, if you give a color coding to each cluster, as you know guys, we divide the entire subject into clusters and read the clusters. So cluster 1 to 8 is company law and 9 to 15 would be economic law. So they said, so for company law at least you have divided everything properly, but if there's a color coding for each cluster, it would be great. So that has been incorporated. Then sir, all the charts that you do should be in color. That has been incorporated. And my interpretation called PJ-pretation, that's what we have named it. So that also has to be more in color, and each different chart should be in a different color code, because when we remember it, it will be easy. So these are all the feedback that the students told me. So based on that guys, and also we all see technology cannot replace teachers, but a teacher who does not adapt and adopt technology will be wiped out. So also I came to know, just seeing that it would be great for students if they read the concept, and if they have any doubts in the concept, to check the video relating to it, right? So for a video, that student has to go to YouTube, then sit and search my channel. There are so many things. So I thought, why not merge the two? So this is a brand new thing that we have done guys. So this is my book. I'll just give you a sample here. Let's say for example, cluster 3. Wherever important points are there, sir, please underline them and make a different color, they said. So all the important areas and important words, the keywords, so to speak, are given in red here, buddies. That's what we have done. And all the case laws have been given under, the blue thing here, see, oriental metal pressing. Then there are, of course, colorful charts and all those things. That is anyway there. This is to explain the history of each section. And then, of course, in my previous book also I had given the Bayer Act extract already. This I had got a feedback around 2-3 years ago, where they said, sir, you anyway do the Bayer Act, which anyway we will see, but the important extracts, if you put in the book itself, it will be great. So that is what we have done here. So where the Bayer Act extract is there, and as and when we do the class, the keywords and interpretation will be written here. And in the Bayer Act, what are the important areas will be, highlighted like this for you to understand. So like this is the entire extract of the Bayer Act. And then our analysis begins. So for example, what is advance, what is loan, what is hypothecation? So this in class we'll be writing down all these things. And buddies, now if you have any doubts with this thing, now we have to adapt and adopt technology as well. So what I have done is I have recorded videos which are anyway uploaded on my YouTube channel, and some are of course private videos or unlisted videos, so to speak. So now what you need to do is very simple. So if you have any doubt in this, just take your phone and scan this particular QR code. The moment you scan this QR code, it will take you to the, you can do it on the screen. I'll just, do it here. I'll just open it. I'll just expand it. You can just scan it right now. You scan it and it will take you to that particular video, where it's a very short videos, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, where I've explained the entire concept of loan and guarantee. These are the important areas. Then if you see, in the exam, how do I write? So this comes under the PJ-pretation clause. So where how to analyze the answer, what they are talking about, all this we need to write. So if you see, this is the thing. Again, parties covered in 185, you need a video. This is there. So guys, this is how we have done. And there are a lot of charts here, lot of charts in this. In the company law, generally I make students write charts a lot in class. Everything has been incorporated in this. In the exam, how to do. So basically in the exam, how to do and how to analyze, what is the ICI interpretation, everything is covered in this book. And of course, what do you mean by body corporate? How do you compare two sections like this? Everything is like that, along with my PJ-pretation and all that. And I have created one more series called For the Love of Law. So here all the important cases and all the important articles which I feel are important for students' better understanding of law has been included in this. For example, this is MR Electronic Components, a very important case law. The entire judgment in a summary format is given. Then one more for the love of law, Freddy Adishar Mehta, in a summary format is given. So for the love of law is to increase your interest in law and also to ensure that you have a holistic approach to the examination. That's the thing. And wherever there are important amendments, it's highlighted in a different way. And there are certain lacuna in law, wherever there is something which probably is a drawback, something which is a loophole, that is covered in a different series called, your pre-interpretation. This can be linked to the exam as well. So a lot of work has gone in. We have worked on a lot, and this is the final product right in front of you. And see, for example, these charts. So you will be filling this in class. So basically, one day before the exam, you can just browse through the book and all the hidden points, etc. are covered. Earlier, I used to do all the hidden points separately, and then the students used to write somewhere. Some students, not used to write. But now I thought all students who have taken my classes should write down all the important points, because at the time of doing the class, you may feel it's not important, but later it will become very, very important. So this is module 1 in color. Module 2 is the regular book, black and white, but module 1 has been released in color. And for each cluster buddies, there's a different color coding. And for applicability provisions, it's a yellow color coding with some points which are highlighted for your reference. So this is just one cluster. And wherever I feel you need a recap, wherever I feel you need certain additional points, that is already there in the form of videos. So those who do my regular batch will definitely, it will really help you in all these things. If you also, at the time of examination, do a recap with these videos. So this is how I have done. There are a lot of videos inside in the book itself where you can scan and it will take you there. So buddies, this is my book. This will be available along with my classes. So if you're buying my classes, this is very much included. This along with module 2. Module 2 is again, black and white with cluster 9 onwards. And of course, my chart book, which is 100% color. 100% color, and in a glossy format this will be given. This is my chart book anyway. This was anyway there since a long time, but nevertheless, this is also has been updated. So if you buy my recent recording, which is going on now, guys, I am been very happy that I have many face-to-face students and many online live students where they're doing it from home, from across the country. Books have been dispatched to them already. And if you purchase my Google Drive or pen drive, Google Drive recording or pen drive classes, which is for the new recording that is going on now, this is applicable for the May 21 and November 21 exam. This book will be included along with the cost. So there is no extra charges. So module 1 colored, module 2 and the 100% colored chart book. So these three, and the Q&A will be given as an e-book, and that is also updated. If you do these 4 books, there is nothing else needed for you to do in law. That is my assurance. So on this note, I'm very happy to launch this, and I'm very excited. A lot of work has gone into it, but I'm super happy and to discuss law with you so that we can write the charts together and we can understand the color coding in a different way, each cluster different color, and we're gonna rock. So thank you so much for your support, guys. This would not have been possible if not for your support during the last year, because producing this book is expensive, but because of your blessings and support, I've been able to do that. Thank you so much. Take care. We are going to really improve going forward further. We are going to add a lot of exciting things, because as I told you, change is the only constant, and the moment we feel, oh, we have achieved everything, that is the beginning of our end. So keep giving your feedback. I'm going to give you the best possible, content for law, and we are going to rock. As far as paper 4 and paper 6D are concerned, I am there. You don't have to worry. Take care, buddies. Cheers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.